Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 8. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Said, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and healthy and enjoying yourselves. As you know, these days we are discussing unit number 1, that is a poem, The Newcomer, composed by Brian Patton. In today's lecture, we'll resume part A. Part A is Understanding the Poem. Part A, Understanding the Poem, that is on page number 17. Here comes question number 2 of part A of the exercises. Question number 2 is answer the following with reference to context. This question is very interesting, especially for those students who have studied the text of the lesson very minutely, because they know all the answers. Rather, they enjoy this question. Here comes a verse. There is something new in the whiteness. This verse has been taken from the poem The Newcomer. Now there are certain questions and we are to answer these questions with reference to this line. There is something new in the whiteness. Here comes the first question, that is A. Who says these words and to whom? Just imagine there are two questions in this question. Who says these words? Question number 1. Question number 2 is and to whom? Now we try to guess the answer. We can guess the answer from this word whiteness. You know, whiteness is a huge mass of snow on the mountains, and who lives in the snowy mountains? Just imagine the bear. Yes, the polar bear. The polar bear says this to the other animals. The polar bear says this to the other animals. Now question B. What else does the speaker say? Who is this speaker? The polar bear. So the question is, what else does the polar bear say? The polar bear says that he saw the newcomer's shadow on a glacier, but it left no paw marks there. The polar bear says that he saw the newcomer's shadow on a glacier, but it left no paw marks there. Now let's move towards the next question, that is C. What was the something new that the speaker saw? What was that thing the speaker saw? I mean the polar bear saw. That was the something new was a human being. The something new was a human being. Now D. Who else heard this news? Who else heard this news? The whole of the animal kingdom heard this news. The whole of the animal kingdom heard this news. I mean, all the animals living in the river, they know that a new creature has come. All the birds know that a new creature has come. And all the other animals living in the forest know that a new creature has come. And this new creature is actually the human being. And they are very much frightened to see this new creature, the human being, because they feel that this new creature kills and kills and kills. Now let's move towards the next question. Now dear students, here comes question number 3. Question number 3 is, describe briefly in your own words how the news about the newcomer spreads. By what means does the poet create the idea that fear is being spread through the animal kingdom? A bit lengthy question, so the answer may also be lengthy likewise. I read it once again. Describe briefly in your own words how the news about the newcomer spreads. By what means does the poet create the idea that fear is being spread through the animal kingdom? Here comes the answer. The fish tells the news to the animals in the water. So, you know, dear students, fish lives in the water, so it tells all the other animals living in water about the arrival of the newcomer. The thrush. As you know, thrush is a songbird. It is famous for its melodious and sweet voice and songs. It is a bird, so the thrush tells this to birds. it tells the other birds that a new creature has come to their kingdom. A rabbit tells this to the animals in the jungle. Rabbit tells all the other animals living in the jungle, living in the forest, that a new creature has come, a stranger has come to the forest. A polar bear tells this to other animals in the animal kingdom. So, dear students, all the animals and birds living in the water, in the trees, and in the forest, and in the snowy mountains, all the animals and birds know that a new stranger has come there, that a new creature has come to their world, and they are very much frightened and they are very much horrified and terrified because they believe that this new creature, that is actually the human being, kills and kills and kills. The news is spread that a stranger has appeared. It actually refers to the human being. By the repeated use of no, the poet creates the idea that fear is being spread through the animal kingdom. I read it once again. The fish tells the news to animals in the water. The thrush tells this to birds. A rabbit tells this to the animals in the jungle. A polar bear tells this to other animals in the animal kingdom. The news is spread that a stranger has appeared. It actually refers to the human being. By the repeated use of no, the poet creates the idea that fear is being spread through the animal kingdom. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I hope you might have enjoyed today's lecture. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you may comment in the comment section below, and inshallah, I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourselves and your dear ones. Thank you very much.